So good afternoon, students. We have created a build job, and we have seen mail configuration also. Now we'll see what are the different ways we can use the job. So we are creating a job again. My first job. Okay, and then we are using at copy from the already created job. We are copying the settings from a already job. Now what to do, use we will already created a folder. That means I can show you, maybe git clone. This is the one of the project which I have created, Maven Jenkins master. So I'm cloning it. So I have cloned this. uh, Now if I go to this repository, and now there is a pom file. Pom file, I hope you know. Pom file is actually for Java project where all the libraries, source, Maven source, dependencies, everything is mentioned. From where the artifact, that means group, version, any plugins we are using, what is the portability of this version, everything we are using. So it is mentioned in a POM file. So we run the POM file using Maven. That's why I already said that Maven configuration is important. So we run this POM file using Maven to create a war file, or maybe to download all the libraries required for running this project. So Maven clean test. So clean means it will clean the all the target folder. That means any folder which you have created, this target folder, it's created for storing the output files of these projects, and test is for running a test file. So you can see this is API test and this is UI test. So if you can see, so if you can see, we are using to check a browser is Chrome. If it is there, it will add all arguments, everything was there. And if it is Edge, then it will do in open the window and find the some resource property. It will display the property. So basically, it's a test file. So what we will do, we'll run this Maven clean test. Is now checking SL4J. SL4J is used for logging purposes, closing all the build success. So you can see builds have been successed. Similarly, projects we can run in CMD also. So right now, you can see if I run this, go to this command prompt, D, let me check where the project is there. Reveal in File Explorer, CMD, CD, Maven clean test. So basically, this will what will do? It will run the test file and download all the necessary things. Now we'll be doing the same thing in our Jenkins. So we'll remove this unnecessary because this is done. Maven clean test. Before that, we need to go to D block, D directory, and then we have to go CD. So this is the thing, and then so D, in command prompt, first it will call D. So if it is the C drive, it will go to D drive. Then it will change the directory to this project folder, and then it will run Maven clean test. For project builder action, we are using the same. We are using the same recipient list and configurations. So I will got an mail. I think, yeah, recipient list is there. So apply, save. Now I go Maven. I go to console. It is running the, you can see it is running the same commands which is there in already in the tech command prompt and in VS Code we have run. So you can run a Jenkins project also inside Maven. Inside Jenkins, sorry, Maven project inside Jenkins. We'll wait for some time. And then mail is sent. Let me check that mail. Yes, I got a mail. My first job one build successful. I delete all other unnecessary mails. so that I will be focused. Okay. So now I have created a Maven job. Now what I'll do, I try to use a Maven plugin for that job. So I go to new item, Maven, my first job with Maven, and then I use Maven project and okay. So you can see the differences. Right now it's snapshot everything there are periodically. So this option is when I want to build my project after every few minutes or few hours or few week or few months. This is not necessary because we want to build only when someone check-in is done. Otherwise, it should be as it is. So there are various options are given. You can go and then click on this thing and you can read it and then accordingly you can explore. So I use okay. So I use this is you can see root form. So it is asking the if your workspace is top level founder somewhere other than specify the path to the model roots, such as parent pom.dot. So it is asking me the location of that pom file. So I give the location of the pom file to this, and then clean test. There are various options or something I want to mention. There are various options. So that's why Jenkins is very more popular. Private repository, process plugins, custom workspace. So whatever your requirement is there, accordingly you can do it. Right now we are simply building with Maven plugin. We have installed the Maven plugin, and then now we are provided the path, and then we given the goals, and then maybe we can run regardless of build result. So build settings, post build action, editable email, advanced, delete, advanced, apply, save. So I am running this project, console. So again, the same thing is done, but we don't have to give all those location path, D drive, changing drive. Just need to provide the Maven POM file and then it will do accordingly. Build is success. Now it's sending mail, archiving. So it's archived, sending mails. So its mail is success. I'll find a mail here. Yeah, my first job with Maven, build successful, console input. So this is how it is done. Next video we'll see how to invoke from Git. Thank you very much. Keep checking.